Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. All right, it is that time of the month again where I get my stitch fix. This month, kind of interesting, I didn't leave any feedback or ask for anything in my note to my stylist, mostly because I kind of missed the memo of when she was gonna start piecing my box together. I thought I still had a few more days to type something up, and next thing I know it says, your stylist is styling your fix. And I'm like, oh, okay. So this month was a teetotal, like, grab bag. I had no idea what to expect. I didn't ask for anything specific. Now, if you've been around for a while, you know I cheat when I get the email saying, your fix has shipped. And I go on the app and I pretend like I'm checking out just so I can see the items that I'm gonna be getting. And let me tell you, I was not impressed with some of the items at first. But Bhody always pulls it off. I don't know how she does it. That or the pictures of the clothing pieces themselves just really do not do them justice. And I will actually insert pictures this time of what the app shows me. You'll see that it'll, I don't know, maybe it was just my eyes, but at least two of the items looked completely different in the picture than they did on. So if you're like me and check the app when your fix is shipped before you've gotten your fix so that you can see what you're getting, don't always go off those pictures because they can really lead you astray. So for this month, I got 2 tops, a dress, a pair of pants, and a cardigan. I've been trying to stay away from cardigans just because I have a ton of them and I used to wear them when I was bigger so that it would hide my middle area, but I also get cold. Like, it could be in the 70s outside and I'm cold. So I don't try and steer too far away from them, but I try and limit what cardigans I have. The dress, I will tell you right now, is the item that I was like, when I saw the picture of it on the app, I was like, oh hell no. That's ugly as hell. Why the hell would Bhody send me that? But Bhody knew what she was doing. So for this fix, I'm gonna start off with the pants, mostly because they're like nondescript. They're just high-waisted skinny jeans, but they're gray. And I really like gray jeans. They don't have any kind of distressing. Usually a lot of my jeans, why do all these items always like blow me out? I mean, I know I'm pale, but come on. Usually I go for like distressed jeans, but these are kind of nice in the sense that I could potentially wear this to like a dress down day at work and there are no rips in them. They are quite literally just high-waisted skinny jeans that are gray. Really not much to them. They are by Cut from the Cloth, which I've mentioned my love for that brand before. They are a size 4. Yay me. And they are $88. That's my only holdup about them, is that they're a little expensive. I keep seeming to get really expensive jeans, but I do like them. They feel really good on. They kind of give a little bit. They're super skinny. I will say that. I had a hard time getting them over my foot because they are like a really skinny jean. So if for some reason you're interested in just a pair of plain Jane gray skinny jeans, they are high-waisted, so they come up a little bit higher than most people might be used to. But just know that when it says skinny jeans, it means skinny jeans. I don't think I could pull those up any further, like to my ankle was as far as they were gonna go because, wow, they were skinny. But these are $88, so the only hold up about them is that they are a little bit more expensive. I do like them. And I like the shade of gray. Whereas other jeans, you can see that they're jeans, but whereas with this is a little bit more subtle, a little bit more muted, and it just looks like gray pants. When you see them on, they're definitely jeans, but you get what I'm saying. The next item I am going to show you is the dress. Now, keep in mind, when I saw the picture of this on the app, which I will insert a picture of it over here so you can see why I thought it was fugly, I was like, hell no, not even gonna try it on. That's gross. Bhody, what is wrong with you? Well, I got the box in, and even, like, I had even sent the picture to my mom, and she was like, oh my god, no, that's boxy as crap. It looks like a granny would wear it, blah, blah, blah. My mom's a little judgmental. Fun fact, Bhody is also my mom's stylist. So then the box came, and my mom was actually at my house visiting me the day that it arrived, so we both looked at it, and she said, you need to try that on, because it's cute. So, Here's the dress. It is burgundy, and it is just, wow, it's picking up a lot of stuff too. So there's a lot of cat hair already on it. It's right at home. I don't even know how to describe it. Let me read you what it is. It is by the brand Wisp, which I'm not sure if I have anything by Wisp. And it is the Cosmo textured knit dress. Now, I wouldn't go as far as to say that it's a knit dress because this fabric is not exactly a fabric that I would normally want on me. It doesn't feel the softest. I've mentioned before I have sensitive skin, so I really like cotton, pretty much it. So when I get fabric like this, I'm not a big a fan, but it doesn't feel bad. Like at first, it feels a little rough against my skin, but then you get used to it after like 5 seconds, so it's no big deal. Wow. So I was just looking at my sheet, and this is actually a size 2. Yo, I'm keeping it just because it's a size 2 and it actually looked good on me. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a size 4. I want to be a size 2. That's really exciting that she sent me a size 2. She mentioned in my note that she noticed a lot of my small tops were a little bit baggy on me, so all of my tops this time are extra smalls. Yo, I might cry. I'm really excited about that. Anywho, back to the dress. So as you can see, oh my God, how is there hair already on it? Like it's not been around cats at all. I don't understand this. I don't understand. So anyway, as you can see, the sleeve is kind of see-through. That's not what I thought when I saw the picture originally. I thought that was like a print and it was fugly, but it's actually see-through. Like each stripe is see-through. It's just that kind of neckline. Really cute, very flowy, very flattering. But it does have like 2 layers. So you've got your normal, this is knit. This part of the dress is knit, but then like the shell is not. It has a zipper in the back, so it zips up in the back. But this is a really cute holiday dress, holiday party dress. It is a little bit more formal. I wouldn't wear this just every day, but it could also be a really good work dress, especially if there's like an event happening for work. But I'm definitely gonna keep this. I didn't think I was. Like this was the one item I was really dreading getting because I thought it was fugly. I'm excited. And this is $78, so it's $10 cheaper than the pants. But I'm really happy with this dress and I'm excited that it was not what I thought it was gonna be. Next up is the cardigan. This is by the brand Honey Punch. I do believe I have some items by Honey Punch. I like them, obviously, if I kept them. It is a very wintry-esque cardigan, as you can see. I really like this cardigan a lot. I didn't want to, because I was like, oh no, I don't need any more cardigans. But, like I said, I get cold easily, so there's that. It is the Rivington Boho graphic cardigan, so as you can see, it's got some print to it. It is extra small, $64, so a little bit expensive for a cardigan. I'm used to Target cardigans. They're pretty cheap. But I do like this one. Best part, it has pockets. Why do we get so excited over pockets? Like, seriously, when a dress has pockets, it's like so much excitement for that. Anyhow, so this cardigan, it is a longer one. It is heavy-ish. I mean, I'm not gonna say that it's like super heavy, but it's heavy. It's a very good winter one. I'm really excited about it. It is navy and gray on the list that I've got for my checkout. It says it's gray, but the actual color in it is navy. And it's really soft. Like, it doesn't look like it would be soft. It looks like one of those kind of itchier cardigans, but no, it's super soft. It's so, I could live in this. It's so soft. Stop sending me cute things, Bhody. And my final 2 pieces are some tops that Bhody sent me. The first one is this really pretty number. I am digging this color. Now, it seems like a very basic tee, which is fine by me. I like a little bit more simple, but it has a fun back. It's kind of hard to see it when it's not on someone, but it's a twist back. But this is by Layla. Ooh, that's Branch. By Layla, everything's listed below. Don't come for me. It is in teal green. I mean, the color alone is just gorgeous. The camera's not doing it justice right now. And it is the Talia crossback knit top. Really soft. This is a size extra small. I would say size down if you wanted this because it is a little bit looser and baggier. It is $48, so it's a little expensive for just a simple tee, but quality. I've talked about this before. I'm willing to pay a little bit extra for good quality. You know, you've got business in the front, party in the back. It's like a mullet. Wow, I did not just say that. I am so sorry, Bhody. I did not just call this a mullet. I'm gonna put this down now. All right. My last top, I think Bhody wants it to be summertime because it's an off-the-shoulder top. Now you could, I guess, wear an off-the-shoulder top to like a holiday party or if it's a warmer winter day or something like that. But for some reason, this top just screams summer to me, which is fine because I'm in love with it. It's soft as I don't know what. It's super cute and it's fun. But this is by Rainn, which I do not have anything by that company. I gotta look off to the side because I'm not gonna remember this. The Maiella off-the-shoulder knit top in black, extra small, $64. It is so cute and soft. I do like the sleeves a lot. It's a tie sleeve too. It's like 3/4 length, but it's really cute. It's super cute. It's good any season, but this will be a good summer top as well as winter top if it's like a warmer winter day and you're inside at a party. Maybe. But I think this will be a good concert top too. I'm already thinking about concerts, I know. I think this is my favorite item out of the box this month. All right, so with that being said, all 5 items come to a total of $342. So if I buy all 5 items, you get the 25% off discount, takes $85.50 off, and it brings it down to $256.50. I mean, that's not bad for what I'm getting. I mean, I'm getting a really nice cardigan, 2 tops, a pair of pants, and a dress. $256.50 is really not that bad. However, I do want to put a disclaimer at the end of this video that come 2019, I will not be able to keep buying full boxes unless people want to sign up with my referral link and help me get some extra money to pay for these. But I'm going to have to start tapering back on what items I buy, and I'm going to have to really be a little bit more scrutinizing, even though I fell in love with everything in this box. Damn it. I just can't afford it. Again, all items from this box will be listed below, as well as their sizes and their prices and their colors and all that jazz. My referral link is also below if you're interested in signing up and helping me get money so that I can continue to do these unboxings and show you all the great items that I get. Let me know in the comments below what item you liked the best. I'm really smitten with that off-the-shoulder top. Like, that's definitely my favorite. It's gorgeous and soft. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do, I'm just gonna keep this up because it's my shtick now. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell in case you wanna know when I upload and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.